హలో వ్యూవర్స్, మొదటిసారిగా మీరు మా వీడియోస్ని చూస్తున్నట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.
ఈరోజు మంచి ఇంపార్టెంట్ థీరం ఒకటి సర్కిల్స్ నుంచి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకుందాం. ద లెంత్ ఆఫ్ టాంజెంట్స్ drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. That means from external point, if you draw any two tangents, then their lengths are equal. That you have to prove for this theorem. So first I am writing given. Center of the circle is O. I am taking one circle. Circle center is O. I drawn two tangents PA and PB. PA and PB are tangents drawn to the circle from an external point P. From P we drawn two tangents required to prove. What we have to prove? The length of PA is equal to length of PB. That we have to prove. For that what we have to do? Construction. Join OA, OB and OB. Join OA, OB and OB. Now prove. First, upper triangle. What is the upper triangle name? In triangle OAP. You know that in triangle OAP, observed OA is perpendicular to AP is appearing because this is radius, this is tangent. Radius is always perpendicular to the tangent it is appearing. That's why this triangle is right angle triangle. So in triangle OAP means in right angle triangle OAP, how to think it? In right angle triangle OAP, hypotenuse, what is the hypotenuse? 90 degrees opposite side. That is OP square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. That means OA square plus AP square. So I am saying that OP square is equal to OA square plus PA square. Why I am writing this one? Because we use the Pythagoras theorem. In already we proved in Pythagoras theorem. That's why I am writing OP square is equal to OA square plus PA square. Similarly, for down triangle also OP is the hypotenuse. What is the triangle name? Down triangle name? Triangle OBP. In triangle OBP, angle OBP is how much? 90 degrees. 90 degrees opposite side is OP. That's why again we have to write OP square is equal to OB square plus PB square. Okay, this is also we written by the statement of the Pythagoras theorem. So if you observe the left side parts are equal, OP square is appearing. From above two equations, the right side parts are also have to equate because the left side parts are equal. OA square plus PA square is equal to OB square plus PB square. Here you know OA and OB are the radius, that means radii of the circles. Their lengths are equal always. OA is equal to OB. Or OA square is also equal to OB square. So both numbers are cancelled. That means OA square and OB square are cancelled. What is the remaining? PA square is equal to PB square. Or if you cut the squares both sides, you can get PA is equal to PB. Therefore you have to understand, from external point if you draw any two tangents to the circle, then their lengths are equal. What is the length? PA is equal to PB. That we proved here. Okay, this is the way you have to prove the solution of the given sum. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click bell icon for a new video update.